I tell about Tamil Nadu, Madurai. Capital Madurai. Area 3,741 square kilometer. Population 30,38,252. Literacy 83.5%. Assembly seats 10. Parliamentary seats 1. Languages Tamil, Gujarati, Saurashtra, Kannada, Telugu, Malayalam, Urdu. Rivers Periyar, Vaigai. Industries Pandyarajapuram, Sugar Mills. Madurai Industrial Estate, Metal Powder Company. Electrical and chemical factories, Madura. Coach. Tourist places, Meenakshi Amman Temple, Vaigai Dam. Tirupparamkundram, Alagarkoil Hills. Tirumalai Nayagar Mahal. Teppakulam Gandhi Museum, Vandiyur. Mariamman Temple. Important cities, Madurai, Tirumangalam, Usilambatti, Melur, Vadipatti, Periyar. Important, Madurai, second largest city of Tamil Nadu. Famous for Sungudi sarees. இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, subscribe பண்ணுங்க, கூட click பண்ணுங்க. Thank you, bye bye.